Hello and welcome to the Fiddle Fit family. The benefits of aerobic exercise. Although all forms of physical activity provide some benefits, aerobic exercise is particularly effective because it causes the heart and lungs to work harder than usual. Aerobic exercise is considered by most experts to be the single most important component of fitness. For individuals just starting their exercise program, remember to start slow and gradually increase intensity and duration. Beginners can start with 15 to 20 minutes of a low-intensity activity, like easy walking, 3 times per week. Aerobic exercise helps maintain a better cardiac function. Heart is one of the essential organs in your body that you need to keep healthy. Aerobic exercise helps to improve the circulation of blood throughout your body and enhances the strength of your cardiac output. It keeps the heart, lungs, and blood vessels healthy. Regular aerobic exercise helps prevent heart disease and reduce the risk of death from this condition. Aerobic exercise is recommended by the American Heart Association and by most doctors to people with or at risk for heart disease. That's because exercise strengthens your heart and helps it to more efficiently pump blood throughout the body. It helps control weight. Aerobic exercise burns up energy. Getting to and maintaining your goal weight will rely heavily on the foods you eat and putting nutrition at the forefront of your health routine. It is shown that aerobic exercise is one of the most effective ways of controlling your weight. In fact, it may be the very best way to lose weight. Daily aerobic exercise, for a period of 30 to 60 minutes per day, will burn a significant number of calories. This can go a very long way in helping you lose weight that can be the cause of various health issues. If you are overweight and are tired of looking the way you look, aerobic exercise is definitely a great option to go with. It helps in controlling blood sugar levels. High blood pressure is most often caused by a weak heart. A weak heart has to pump and work much harder to deliver the same amount of blood around your body when compared to a stronger heart. It is essential for people with diabetes to keep their blood sugar levels within a healthy range. High blood sugar can damage blood vessels and lead to heart disease. Insulin is necessary for regulating blood sugar. Aerobic exercise can increase insulin sensitivity so that the body requires less insulin to control blood sugar levels. During exercise, the muscles also use glucose from the blood. In this way, exercise helps prevent blood sugar levels from rising too high. In a study on people with type 2 diabetes, researchers found that any form of movement, either aerobic or anaerobic, may have these effects. Doing aerobic exercise strengthens your immune system. Aerobic exercise activates your immune system in a good way. It is shown that regular aerobic exercise helps to reduce the risk of contracting viral illnesses like the flu, plus it helps to reduce bacterial infections as well. One way that aerobic exercise helps to reduce infection is because it causes you to breathe at an elevated rate. Breathing fast leads to your lungs flushing out an increased amount of bacteria, viruses, and other things that can make you sick. Aerobic exercise helps to increase your immune strength by slowing down the release of hormones that cause stress. It is shown that stress lowers your body's ability to fight infection, thus less stress means less sickness. Preventing and managing stroke. A stroke occurs when the blood supply to an area of the brain becomes obstructed. It can have serious and life-threatening consequences. Regular aerobic exercise reduces the risk of a stroke by keeping the blood vessels and heart healthy. It increases lifespan. Aerobic exercise has such a broad range of health benefits that it helps people live longer. Higher levels of aerobic activity reduce the risk of death, regardless of the intensity of the activity. Doing aerobic exercises improves physical functioning. The ability to perform tasks for daily living is important in maintaining independence and well-being. Aerobic exercise improves the physical capabilities that are necessary for a person to function on a daily basis. Physical fitness also helps prevent falls and the resulting injuries. It also enhances mood. Aerobic exercise may ease the gloominess of depression, reduce the tension associated with anxiety, and promote relaxation. It can also improve your sleep because endorphins are released during aerobic exercise. You'll experience a heightened sense of well-being. In one study, aerobic exercise reduced the symptoms of depression. There is even evidence that as little as 5 minutes of aerobic exercise can help to elevate your mood. That means that a quick walk around the block could be the difference between a bad day and just a bad few minutes. But to be clear, any physical exercise is good for your mood. Regardless of age, weight, or athletic ability, aerobic activity is good for you. Aerobic activity has many health benefits, no matter your age. As your body adapts to regular aerobic exercise, you'll get stronger and fitter. Regular aerobic exercise will keep all the parts of your body in prime condition, and will allow you to live a long and healthy life. A word of caution: if you have existing health problems, are at high risk of cardiovascular disease, or have muscle, bone or joint injuries, check with your doctor before undertaking an aerobic exercise program. If you have a condition that limits your ability to participate in aerobic activities, ask your doctor about alternatives. As always, stay safe and be as fit as a fiddle. If you found this interesting, please like, share, and subscribe.